All right, today we are in Sheridan, Indiana to install some push piers on this home. The front portion of the home is settled due to improper drainage away from the structure. So what we're going to do is excavate out and install push piers to not only stabilize, but get some correction out of this foundation today. Here we have David digging out the foundation with an excavator. All the utilities have been marked prior to starting.
Hey guys, running a machine today, digging some piers out. We got 8 piers going along this house here. We got some little bit of utilities that we're gonna be kind of digging around over there, but you know, when you got a good guy on the hoe, you're in good shape.
My man. All right, the foxhole's been dug, the footing has been prepped. Now we're going to use this 210-pound steel hydraulic drive system and the ram to drive steel pipe down to load-bearing soil. Got Jeffrey here. We'll use the stubby pipe to help drive it down even deeper for a full stroke. Here we set up a piece of foam insulation to prevent the ram from hitting the brick foundation while we drive in our galvanized steel pipe down to load-bearing soil. Throughout, we're always checking the PSI to make sure that we're not driving it too fast or too hard, getting too much. Slow, meticulous process.